Yo, what is up guys, it's Soy Sauce 22 back with another video. In this video I'm just going to be talking about more MUT 16 news, but also I'm going to be opening packs for my pack and play game against New Jersey King 101 when he gets a chance. So, quickly, people who sign up for the MUT Rewards program, if they're in the legendary level, they got Madden 16 today, and 2 copies of it. So I thought that was really interesting. Unfortunately I didn't get mine, because I don't think I was legendary level, but it's alright. So, I'm going to open the packs right now. Number 1 of 5. We're going to do 5 packs. I know it's kind of small, but kind of running out of coins, so here we go. Alright, first card is Rasheed Mathis. I'm just going to put him in the starting lineup right now, so I don't forget. Alright, next pack up. Oh, auction sold. And Bruno Giacomini, okay. Gotta promote him. That's the pack. Oh, okay, a legend collectible. Alright, so another thing sold. 3 packs left. Okay, Jason McCourty, that's a pretty good card. Got another cornerback. And if we don't pull a certain position, such as like quarterback or halfback, then I'm going to tell them that we can just choose somebody from our current like player lineup to use. It's getting elite, come on. And the rest of the players will just fill in with silver and bronze. So Mercedes Lewis, so we got a tight end. Alright, so the most recent thing on Mutthead was for trucking, and Chris Ivory and LeGarrette Blunt lead with 96. What's really weird is that Marshawn Lynch wasn't the top like trucking person, he has 95. I just thought that was really weird. So let me know in the comment section if you guys got Madden 16 early, and like and subscribe. My next video will hopefully be some of my pack and play game, and peace.